just want you all. Don't really care, I'm beautiful. I'm beautiful. Mass.
Yeah! Yeah!
Wala pa kami.
Delay ata yan.
Delay ata to.
Yay!
Hello?
Yay! Yay!
Hello?
Hello?
Ano yun? Emoji knows the drill.
Yeah.
Hello?
Ayan na.
Hello.
Yeah!
Ay!
Ay, hindi na.
Oh!
Yay! Hello!
Oh my God, kanina ba talaga ba?
Happiness naman. Happiness! Yay!
Yeah!
Welcome to our first official Weavers Live!
Yeah!
Yay!
Yeah, let's get it.
How are you guys? Yeah. It's our first time and
Alam mo, ang hirap maganda live stream kasi hindi real-time conversation yung nangyayari. Unless kayo mag-uusap, dapat tayo.
Oh, tayo mag-usap talaga.
Kamusta ka?
comments.
Pero naririnig niyo ba kami?
Meron naman sa
Rinig na
comments kasi
rinig.
hindi
Yun.
nakikita.
Volume up. Audio please. Sabi nila, mahina po ang mic.
So ayun, malapit na po. Rinig ba? Pa itong mic na to, rinig ba?
Can you hear us?
Is it better?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, kamusta po? And right now, malapit na po emoji MV. And we're all excited. Wow.
Yay!
Parang hindi.
Wait lang, medyo kasi...
Dami kasi nangyayari.
Ano kasi kami? Okay, first of all, welcome to our first official live dito sa Weavers. To all people who's watching right now here on Weavers, hi, we are SB19 and we're from the Philippines. Hi. If you can understand Tagalog, well, it's your problem. No, it's your problem. We will try to speak in English if we can. But yeah, I think most of the time we're going to speak in Tagalog since most of our viewers were Filipinos. But yeah, we will try to speak in English just to cater everyone.
Yeah.
Hi, welcome to our yes.
And
First of all,
first,
yeah.
I think we should properly introduce ourselves.
Yeah,
One by one for the people who doesn't really know about SB19.
Yeah.
Yes, starting from
The bottom na we hear.
Hi guys. My name is Justin.
Hello everyone, my name is Ken.
Hi everyone, I'm Stel.
hello everyone, I'm Josh.
Hello everyone, I'm Pablo.
And we are
Copied your ano.
And we are SB19.
SB19.
Yeah. It has been actually I think a few days since we've joined Weavers, and a lot of actually fans are following already, and they've been really warm and enthusiastic about this platform.
Yes. And so far, we're having fun engaging with you guys here in Weavers.
Yeah, and today we just released our newest album, which is called Wakas at Simula.
Yay!
They wanna
Sa mga ano dyan, sa mga 18 dyan, kamusta? Anong pinakagusto nyong song sa album? And to those who's watching right now, to those, if you're currently listening to our newest album, tell us what's your favorite song from the album, and let's talk about that today. Yes. So, type in your comments. Which song do you like the most? So yeah. We're going to
How about
proceed
you
to our
guys?
next topic.
Wakas. They said Wakas.
Oh,
Someone
you like
said
Wakas.
Wakas. Memories. Oh, a lot of Wakas lovers. Wakas. Wakas, what do you call it? Oh, yan, no? Puro Wakas. And
Wakas.
memories.
Memories.
Kung lahat may wakas.
Actually, lahat ng
Iba ba?
nakakarinig, lahat ng mga nakakarinig na nung wakas, isa lang yung na-feel nila. Wasak. After, wasak sila because it's a very sad song. The meaning is very deep, so yeah, it's very wasakable. Yeah.
You have a point. You have a point.
How about you? You start
What's
first.
your favorite song from the album?
You guys start.
Agoy!
Dali na, ikaw na. Huwag kang playing safe.
Sound-wise, I like Memories. Pero performance-wise, I like Everblock.
This is.
I like the feeling of performing it.
Oh, okay.
Bakit gusto niyo hawakan yung mic,
Josh?
Oh, ito.
no? Yeah. I think I'll go the same memories than yung one of them, actually yung top ko. And then for performance, same. Actually,
Bakit may
same.
dalawang sagot?
Same. Yeah.
Alright.
Same.
Hirap.
Ever Black.
Siguro pag ipo-perform, I think, wakas, yung ipo-perform ng live pagkakantahin, wakas. Tinatry ko sa bahay eh. So, I think if performance-wise, live singing, I think it's wakas. Pero pagka connecting to the audience or nasa stage ka, I think dalawa. It's either Everblack and Memories. Yun, yung dalawa.
For Ken, it's Everblack and Emoji.
Yeah, yeah.
Ayaw niya sumagot.
Sumagot lang para sa akin. Sa akin siguro more on, kasi ako more on like hype na songs. Especially, usually mas nakikinig ako ng music pag nagda-drive ng scooter ko or like sa car. So, ano?
Delikado yun. Nakikinig music ako nagsuscooter.
Oo.
Gagi, paano pag may
Hindi, isang ano lang. Isang tenga lang yung merong ano. Parang wala lang, parang nakaka-hype lang siya sa umaga. So I've been listening to Everblack ever since. And, alam mo yun, like
Everblack ever since.
Yun-
Ayos yun.
tapos ina-imagine ko na nasa stage ako. And Emoji and Emoji then and Memories kasi I think Memories is very special. Especially para sa 18 yun.
Yeah.
Kay Ja. Sagot ko kay Ja, wakas.
At first, I enjoyed listening to Emoji. At first, yeah. But right now, I'm currently listening to Wakas and Memories. Yeah.
Actually, ang tawag nila doon, emoji.
Emoji.
Emoji. Emoji. Pero kayo guys, what's your favorite? Pero siyempre, dahil ganyan kayo, sasabihin nyo, lahat masaya, lahat gusto namin, lahat maganda. Pero ano yung Pero kasi iba-iba rin kayo, so wag na.
Alam niyo, pinatugtog ko yung Everblack sa gym kagabi. Tapos sabi ng kaibigan ko, kanino yung kantang yan? Sabi ko, sa amin. Sabi niya, ikaw yung boses mo yan? Tapos nag-ano sila, ano ba yung band mo? Tapos sabi ko, SB19. Tapos nagulat sila na member daw pala ako ng SB19. Di daw nila talaga alam.
Ayos ka, pinlay mo, di pa nare-release ah.
Di naman nila tayo kilala, kaya okay lang.
Naka-NDA daw ang mga ano. Okay! Because of we're here live, we're going to play a game! Yay! Wow. Since we're here for the Emoji music video release, we're gonna play a game called Guess the Emoji! Yay!
So fun.
Wow,
So
exciting.
how are we
I'm
going
so
to play?
excited right now. Really.
How are we going to play this game? Each member will try to imitate the emoji, and then the audience will try to guess what emoji is it. It is. So let's play the game. Starting with Pablo. Woo! Okay. You should copy the emoji. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ipo-focus ba yung cam?
If-focus pa ba?
Focus pa Wait lang, lalapit ka.
Ano, may kita yung... Okay na yan. Okay, look at Pablo. Okay. Then type the emoji that you think
Anong emoji
he's
yan?
copying.
Yung poop?
Ulo kasi lang.
Oh, the poop emoji. Ipapakalat ko talaga ang kanal humor dito sa Weverse. Yari talaga kayo.
Tingin. Yan.
Nagkanal na.
Walang idol. Wala kayo dyan, kanal humor.
Comment the emoji.
Let's break the norm.
Guess the emoji. Sad?
Crying,
No.
crying.
Sad. No, it's not sad. Hindi yan sad? Hindi yan
No,
sad.
it's not sad.
Ano yan, parang
Cry daw. Ayun, hindi. May mga tumatama na.
Emoji.
Pero
Gamot yun emoji.
Crying?
sad yung nilalagay nila.
No,
No,
it's
it's
not
not
Hindi,
crying.
ano pala yan? Paano ko gagawin yan? Ang hirap.
Parang please, nag-please ka. Please, ganun.
Ayan, sa
Ayan,
mukha,
tama na. Alright.
Ayan.
It's called, ano ba tawag dyan? Touched? Please nga, please.
Ganyan ba yan?
Okay.
aura yun
Next player. Ayun ang emoji. Reveal. The answer is... Ayun yung sagot.
The answer is, what is this? Emoji.
Wow! That's so amazing!
It's so much fun.
Yeah.
Yes! I'm
Yay!
really having a lot of
Next
fun.
player is the youngest, Josh Collins.
Yeah, I'm the youngest.
Okay, 1, 2, 3,
Parang aura yung ginagawa ko.
go. Okay, comment down below which emoji is copying.
Ayan, ano yung ginagawa ni Josh?
Wala pa, hindi pa updated yung comment.
Tirik.
Ano?
Possessed.
Gawin mo pa, 1, 2, 3.
Di pa ako nakakita ng tamang answer. There's no correct answers yet.
Ayun na, lumalabas na.
Meron na? Perfect!
Meron na. Yes, perfect.
You guess it right. This is the emoji.
Wow, this is the emoji. Ginawa ko.
That's the emoji.
Usually sa, wag na nga. Okay, our next player, still Vester.
Sylvester.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Copy the emoji.
Paano to?
Gaganin ko yung mukha mo.
Gaganon ko yung mata ko eh.
Ano nga ba yan?
Mukha ko ano?
Okay, comment down below which emoji is he copying.
Ano to? Ano to?
Tama na ba?
Wala pa? Nandun pa, delayed pa yung comments na nakita natin.
I-zoom nyo sa mukha ni Stel. I-zoom talaga ni Barnes yan.
Okay! Yung mga tumama na, may tama kayo. The right answer is...
Delete ba yung comments?
Tadant! Yes, delay yung live. Yay! It's called... Anong tawag dyan? Scrunchy face?
Mukhasim. Asim kilig.
Mukhasim.
It's called Asim kilig.
Ever sad. Okay, the next player is... Ken.
Okay.
Wala pa. Ayan. 1, 2, 3.
You know?
Dali.
Anong ginawa niya?
Tapos na.
Ano yun na? Ba't ganon?
Isa pa daw. One more time. 1, 2, 3.
Nagagaya ko rin ba?
Hindi, kasi kakayurs ka din. Ako din eh.
Okay, guess. Comment down below which emoji it is.
Wala na ba? Wala pa eh.
Wala pa.
Ayan,
Okay!
yay!
Wink. Ayan, sabi nila, wink. Wink, wink. Okay, for our last player, let us call Justin. Oh, one of my favorite emoji. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, that's so fun!
Yes.
Oh my God, I'm really, you know.
This is very engaging.
Yes.
And such
This is like the...
power it is giving.
One more time, Justin. One more time.
This is me right now.
Yes! What about you, Stel? What can you say? Oh, my.
Wow. Okay, you guys are correct.
What's the emoji of Ken right now? No, right now.
The right answer is this one.
Guys, mag-Tagalog naman tayo. Ramdam ko na yung hirap eh. Sige guys, Tagalog naman tayo.
Tama.
Tagalog naman tayo guys. Puro na Pinoy naman yung audience natin eh.
Musta na kayo dyan sa Pinas? Ito na bago kong roaming number.
So guys, yung mga nanonood ngayon, can you please i-comment nyo yung favorite emoji nyo dyan. Tapos, let's see kung anong favorite nyo emoji. Siguro pag-usapan na tapos na yung game po, no? Tapos na yung game. Yes, we're done with our game. Yay! Energy naman, oh. Yay! Sige na nga, ano yan natin to. So,
Post kayo sa camera with your emoji.
oh, okay. Post daw muna sa camera with our emojis. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Woo! Happy New Year. So guys, feeling ko naman alam niyo naman bakit kami nag-live, 'di ba? You know the reason naman. Kasi 'di ba alam naman nila yung reason, no? Yeah, let's talk about
Love.
emoji. So, we're very excited for this song kasi nga bukod sa ka-collab namin si Miss Jolene for this one. Feeling ko naman alam na nila, okay lang sabihin natin, we're going to release a music video. We're going to drop emoji music video later at 7 p.m. Yay!
Yeah!
So, nakita nyo naman yung teaser kahapon, di ba? So, napanood nyo ba yung teaser na pinost natin kahapon?
Yes, I got teased.
Ha? Anong grabe ka dun?
Yung
Ah?
ano mo.
Ano?
Grabe, namumutok yung dibdib ni Skull dun eh, no? Parang balloon.
So, ano masasabi nyo sa teaser? Bukod dun.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Oh my gosh, amazing.
yung ano, yun lang masasabi mo?
Siyempre,
Oh, yan yung gusto ko.
showbiz na natin to, sige. Hindi ko alam eh. Ang dami nang nangyayari, but I'm really, siguro, ako hindi ko pa kasi siya napanood.
Ako rin naman, hindi ko pa siya napapanood.
Kaya mas,
Hindi,
yung,
sa teaser. As in,
yung teaser para nakaka-excite naman. Yung nakaka-excite kasi ang ganda ng mga transitions. Tsaka it's giving really different, parang ito yung angst version natin. Diba? Kasi normally we do it very in a different version na may storytelling na minsan hindi super angst na ganito.
Pero ako parang gusto ko makita si Josh na sayawin niya yung emoji, no? Style. Parang mukhang interesting siya pag sinayaw ni Josh. Sige na.
Ano eh?
Ipakita mo lang sa kanila yung Kasi nung pinatugtog kasi natin sa press con,
Kabuy.
sinasayaw mo.
Ganun ba? Sinayaw mo
Yeah,
ba yun?
sinasayaw
Sinabayan ko yun?
Oo.
Hindi, parang mas nakita ko yung
Hindi,
ka doon.
hindi.
Parang
Uminom ako ng tubig actually.
Gumaganong-ganong ka doon, no?
Hindi, ang tanong kasi dyan, sino ba yung main dancer?
Oo, yun talaga yung tanong doon. Main dancer.
Main
Ano ba yun?
dancer.
I'm the sexiest main dancer.
Ano yun?
Siyempre, gusto namin sexy.
Ano lang yun?
Guys,
Year
send hearts.
2019 pa yun.
Send hearts
Wala
if you
na,
want to see Ken
2026 na
dance
ngayon.
emoji. Send hearts. If you want to see Ken dance emoji.
Ganun ba yun? Iuusog pa ito pagka ganun.
Exposing.
Ayan, spoiler lang. Okay. Ay, each member,
Okay.
Ganun lang.
Unahan mo na Josh. Ikaw na gitna.
So, para equal, everyone will show your favorite point dance sa emoji.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hindi, I mean, Wag na. Patayin na yung live. Patayin
Yung chorus
na.
na lang. Yung chorus na lang. Sige na.
Oo nga, kung ano nga yung gusto nyong part na sinasayaw sa emoji. Siyempre tatayo.
Ganun ba?
Oo. Game.
Tayo mo na. Dali na.
Okay, isa-isa naman to eh. Sino mauna?
Ikaw talaga.
Josh, mauna ka na.
No mask off, no telling what's true. Ain't that what we all do? But
Hey, I'm talking to you. I kinda like the thrill, the
Distorting things I felt. Emotion knows the drill.
Dito. Oh, usog natin to. Sige na.
Oh, sabihin na mesa style. Bigyan mo ng ano, yung VIP natin. Bigyan mo ng spasyo. Yan. Yan.
Oh, go.
Ano ba?
Oh, may pa-music ba tayo dyan? Ano part ba yung sasayawin mo?
Meron ba sounds?
First chorus. Oh, first chorus.
Read the cover praise, and I won't feelings in my heart. Try to get to me, what place?
I don't really mind cause it ain't my loss.
I'm living like a villain and I'm killing like a boss.
Really care, I'm beautiful.
Guys, mag-sample lang kasi.
Don't wanna be the vulnerable. See now I built this wonderwall. Don't really care, I'm beautiful. I'm beautiful.
Mask on, no mask off, no
Ayan na, ayan
telling
na. Let's
what's
go.
true.
Let's go.
Ain't that what we all do? But hey, I'm talking to you.
I kinda like the thrill, distorting things I feel. Emotion knows the drill.
I fake it cause it's real. That everybody's ill. Emotion knows the drill.
Wala akong masabi. Rate nyo each member after 10. 10 out of
10.
100.
Out of 100. Grabe naman yun.
10
90% yung nabawas.
10 out of 100.
90 yung nabawas.
Hindi, magaling. Nandun yung smoothness.
Hindi,
Pwede
pero
na
yung,
maging conditioner.
yung expression ni Josh kasi cute to, oh.
Oh, ang angas, oh. Roll VTR yan, oh. Roll VTR.
Ang cute,
oh.
oh.
Kita mo ba, speechless kami? Hindi pa nag-do-wings yan, pero... Oh, next. Pablo. Pablo, ikaw. Mali na, malapit na. Malapit na yung MV, oh. Pagbigyan na natin sila.
Ang tumilis na lang, pagbigyan mo na, Pablo, sige na.
Lahat tayo, isa-isa.
Hindi, each member
sa
kasi.
nga nauna, oh. Isa-isa. Oh, sige.
Sige na, sewin mo na.
Tapos pagkatapos ko, tapos na to. Sample tong mga
Sige
to.
na, sige na.
Itong mga kasama ko, mga tatay na. Parang kasama ko mga ugali nyo, pang tito.
Sige na, ayan na. Oh. Ayan na, Only Farms.
Palakasan ng music agad, please.
Ito na si ano.
I-first na lang lahat.
Tara,
Lakasan mo.
Lakasan nyo naman konti. Yeah, let's get it. Oh.
Mask on, no mask off, no telling what's true.
Oh.
Ain't that what we all do? But hey, I'm talking to you.
I kinda like the thrill, distorting things I feel. Emotion knows the drill.
Yeah, let's get it. Oh.
Mask on, no mask off, no telling what's true.
Oh.
Ain't that what we all do? But hey, I'm talking to you.
I kinda like the thrill, distorting things I feel. Emotion knows the drill.
I fake it cause it's real. That everybody's ill. Emotion knows the drill.
To me, what you try to get to me, what to me, what you try to get to me, what to me, what you try to get to me, what you try to get to me, what
Oh, rate.
Pablo.
Let's rate it. Ano, sabi nyo? 1 million. 1 million!
1 million.
Yes.
Third million.
Pwede na.
Oh, next.
Pwede na. Pwede mo na itigil.
Pablo.
Last daw siya, save the best for the last.
Wala na tayong oras. Wala na ba? May oras pa ba?
Yan na.
Oh, ayan na. Oo.
Ito ano to, sauce.
Sauce,
Saucy
swag.
version, saucy. Saucy version, saucy.
Mask on, no mask off, no telling what's true. Ain't that what we all do? But hey, I'm talking to you.
I kinda like the thrill, distorting things I feel. Emotion knows the drill.
I fake it cause it's real.
Nalaglag daw kasi sa laman eh.
Mask on, no mask off, no telling what's true. Ain't that what we all do? But hey, I'm talking to you.
I kinda like the thrill, distorting things I feel. Emoji knows the drill.
I fake it 'cause it's real. That everybody's ill. Emoji knows the drill.
Too many what you try to get. Too many what you try to get.
Pag si Ken talaga ang sumayaw, talaga naman smooth as butter.
Rate na. Bilisan daw ang rate.
I'll give it 100 for the sauce.
100 million.
What's the sauce?
Soy sauce. Because he's wearing black.
That's why,
Next.
yeah.
Ano daw ang next? Ito. Saucy din. Saucy mo.
Ayun! Saucy mo.
Let's take a break.
Let's take a break.
Take a break muna kasi after 3 dancers.
Sauce.
Legit ba? Pinapadili mo para di ka makasayaw.
Ako, expected.
Oh, go.
Expected na to si Pablo.
Si Pablo daw dance break.
Walk out talaga ako.
Go, Justin. Go, Justin.
Wonderwall, but really get beautiful. Beautiful.
Mask on, no mask off, no telling what's true. Ain't that what we all do? But hey, I'm talking to you.
I kinda like the thrill, distorting things I feel. Emoji knows the drill.
I fake it 'cause it's real. That everybody's ill. Emoji knows the drill.
Kasi talaga ang sumayaw.
Too many what you try to get. Too many what you try to get. Too many what you try to get.
Justin dancing hits different.
Eto na.
Ito na si
Paano
Pinuno.
pa?
Si Pinuno. Let's get it. Justin dancing hits different. What about
Iran
this?
nyo.
The
Run it.
Ito na, yung
Ito.
pinakihintay na lahat.
Party.
Kailangan ko namang internalize sa tag.
Guys, make way.
Wala.
Space tayo, space.
magbigay pugay. Magbigay pugay.
Space. Huwag ka dyan, masasapul ka dyan. Tamaan ka dyan. Malaki ka gumalaw. Big movements yan.
Tingnan mo, nahuhubo ako.
You know, nag-practice pa yan.
Grabe naman pagka-smooth naman nun, par.
Kailangan ko ng backup kasi superstar.
Actually.
Yeah.
Kaya nga nasa likod
Ito kami sa likod mo.
Backup na, di ba?
Nasaan ba?
Kami dito.
Go. Music po, music.
Music.
Let's go.
But really get beautiful. Beautiful.
Mask on, no mask off, no telling what's true. Ain't that what we all do? But hey, I'm talking to you.
I kinda like the thrill, distorting things I feel. Emoji knows the drill.
But really get
Naboy abunda siya.
Lumuhod.
At least to repeats itself, ah. Okay. Huwag daw tayo maingay. Huwag na mag-cheer.
Kasi,
Gusto nyo ba talaga makita ng mga tao yung dancing skills?
Oo.
Chill lang kayo.
Sige.
Ito ang tinatagong, ni Papa?
Music.
beautiful. Beautiful.
Mask on, no mask off, no telling what's true. Ain't that what we all do? But hey, I'm talking to you.
I kinda like the thrill, distorting things I feel. Emoji knows the drill.
I fake it 'cause it's real. That everybody's ill. Emoji knows the drill.
Too many what you try to get. Too many what you try to get.
ako,
Ganun, no?
grabe yun. Ayun talaga ang ano. The standard. Yeah, the
That's
standard.
the standard
Yeah.
of modern pop. Modern pop choreography.
Yeah.
All I can say is the details is there.
Details, yeah.
It's very clean. It's very shy.
Akala ko sharp.
Yun, oo. Tsaka smiling face siya all the way.
Oh. Oh.
Di ba? Oh.
Nothing to prove anymore. Nothing to prove.
I'll give it a forever out of 100.
Yes, nothing to prove. And syempre, kaya nga nandun, nakita niyo po lahat. Syempre, may re-release na po yung music video later. But, of course, you can see it live on April 18. Sorry. Inaubo. The concert namin. And that's gonna be, ikaw na rin, di ba? That's gonna be next month po at the SMDC grounds. Sana makita po namin kayo. For the international fans, I don't know if the tickets are still available, but I think there are some still limited seats that are still available. But we'll see you. We'll see you there. We'll see you.
Yay!
See you April 18, SMDC concert grounds, and also listen to our latest album, Wakas at Simula.
I hope you guys are not, parang, what do you call this? You didn't get culture shock.
Yeah, it's fine. Dito kami sa Pinas. Sana ganito rin sa
It's
buong
more
bayan.
fun in the Philippines.
Yeah, we still have 4 minutes before our music video drops. So if you have questions or you want to say something to us, you can type in your comments. Or if you want to say something good lang about the album, please do. So,
Malabo pala yung...
Blur ba sila?
Kind of out of focus.
Second mall. And keep my...
anong oras na? Ayan, 58. 2 minutes na lang pala. We have 2 minutes left. We're 2 minutes left.
Yes.
Maybe we should say goodbyes na.
Thank...
4?
4?
4 minutes.
Do we still have 4?
Kasi may countdown before the music video.
Are they gonna be, redirected to it?
No. So after our live here sa Weavers, please go directly to the music video. Alam niyo na kung saan yan makapanood. So, yeah. Sabay-sabay po natin panoorin. After nito, papanoorin din namin. Kasi... Tumilin! Okay. Sorry. Okay. So, kami rin, hindi pa namin nakapanood yung music video. Yung teaser pa ang nakikita namin. Mamaya magkakaalaman. So, yeah. May gusto kayo sabihin, guys?
I'm just thankful
Yeah,
for this day. And of course,
Thank you for watching.
that was unexpected drop. That was an unexpected drop from SB19. Sabi daw nila, bigla. Pero, yun po, marami pa kaming surprises for you guys. So, sana magkita-kita tayo sa April 18. And, ayun, check out the music video of Emoji later on. Because it's definitely gonna be something else. Wow, something else. And thank you to Miss Jolyn for actually having the opportunity to collaborate with us and making, syempre, time for this.
Last 1 minute hype.
Woo! So, 1 minute left. 1 minute left.
Hindi,
Let's
pinatay.
manifest for Emoji
Walang camera.
to do good, to do great.
Tada!
Are you guys excited?
Sabi nga
Ay, pwede natin panoorin dito.
aking pasasalamat ko sa Ama, binigay kanya yung dating pangit ay bilog
Again,
na
bye guys! Thank you so much for watching our live. And please do watch Emoji Music.
Manonood ba tayo
Tonight!
ng live reaction video kami? Ganun, hindi naman.
Thank you so much, guys.
Premiere dapat kung papanood.
Guys, magbabay na tayo.
Ayun na.
Guys, diretso na
Check
kayo.
it out, YouTube right now. I think it's on premiere na.
See you guys. See you soon. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching our video.
Bye!
See you again next time. Bye-bye.
Paalam.
Watch the music video, please. Let's... Bye-bye. Thank you.
So hold on to it.